So hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is So Far, and today we're gonna have a little review on the parcels I received. So let's start and check them out. Now first of all, I would like to go through them all so you can see. Got a big one and it's kind of heavy. We have this envelope, letter, and some other goodies here. So let's just go in and start to open them up. Anything there? No. Okay. What I will do is first I will just open up everything. Just have a little sneak peek here. Okay. Let's open up also this one. So I hope you all enjoyed my previous videos. And okay, that's quite interesting. Nothing in it. Nothing? Okay, here we go. I see. I thought there's nothing in there. Okay. Okay, got it. Let's see here. And let's do the first ones here. Now, this one is a photograph, as usual, because you guys know I like photographs because they have a own story. There's another photograph, and this one needs to be also unopened. Okay, let me see what it is. Okay, perfect. Now, let's start. What is this? Nice. This is an ID. It's pretty cool. This is from the Black Sea Fleet, actually the civilian one. And it's pretty cool because my dad collects actually a lot of this kind of stuff related to it, and that will go to his collection. But pretty nice. It's actually a veteran of labor, and this guy was giving the title, veteran of labor. Pretty cool, from 1973. Nice ID. The next one is a photograph. That's pretty cool. As you also know, I like dove stuff, so anything related to female soldiers during World War II. Here we can see a very nice photograph with the pilotka, and I assume this is already like middle of the war probably. Let me see, is there something? Oh, it's beginning of the war, yeah. 10th September 1941. We have here a North Korean officer with a child. Some soldiers in the background, Soviet soldiers. Let me see, what does it say? July 1953. The name Aksabayev, with the Korean National Army. Interesting. Let's go to the bigger parcel. I was actually waiting for that. It's a book. It's a book, and it's a very interesting book because I was actually looking for this, especially this book, for a long time, and I finally found one example in a pretty good, decent condition. There's nothing there. No, nothing. And let me show. Okay. And here it says, Dank euch, ihr Sowjetsoldaten. Thank you, Soviet soldiers. That's a pretty interesting piece. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, perfect. Now when we open it up, anybody who was actually in Berlin, there is a memorial, one of the largest memorials in Eastern Germany. And it's actually called the Treptow Park. And these are actually the reliefs from, there are several on the left and the right side. Maybe you've seen and remember this famous soldier who is holding a child, having a sword in the other hand, and is stepping on a swastika. I would recommend you all to check it out. Oh, nice. It has actually even a signature. Reichsbahndirektion Cottbus. So, and it's signed by the president. That's a pretty interesting piece. So this book is actually an Eastern German piece. So it was actually published in Eastern Germany. And it says again here on the top, thank you, Soviet soldiers. Dietz Verlag, Berlin. It's actually saying from Wilhelm Pieck: Zu Ehren der im Kampf gegen den Faschismus gefallenen Helden der Sowjetarmee mit einem Vorwort des Präsidenten der Deutsch-Demokratischen Republik. In honor of the fights against the fascists, something like this, to the fallen soldiers of the Soviet army, something like that. I will later on check it out. Here is also a Russian version. That's pretty interesting. And we have here, that's pretty cool. It's like German and Russian. That's in Berlin. It's a very beautiful memorial, one gorgeous memorial, and you can see that's an interesting, because these are around East Germany, so that means you can actually look up the place and find those memorials. This is also in Berlin. This is not far away from the Reichstag. That's pretty interesting here. It's like Frankfurt. Okay, that's nice. So it says actually it's Frankfurt an der Oder, and then you have all the memorials there listed. That's pretty interesting. If I'm correct, this is okay. That's Seelower Höhen, Seelower Heights. It's very interesting. So this book is dedicated to all military memorials around Eastern Germany. It's pretty interesting because, you know, they are listed all here, and that's a historical piece. See, here we have Rostock. So it's divided to all states, and you can actually visit those places. So if anybody is interested to find out some pictures or where Soviet memorials are staying in Germany, just shoot me a message, comment, and I will get in touch with you. It's a pretty interesting book, so I'm very happy that I actually could get my hands on that. And here also, okay, these are all, that's very interesting, because these are all the names of the cities and villages of smaller towns which have military memorials. That's pretty cool. Okay. And the book is printed in 1960. Very interesting. Very, very, very interesting piece. So that's kind of it. That's my little review on today's Unpacking the Parcels. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Thank you guys, and I wish you all a great weekend. Bye.